Okay, here's the problem. If you notice, we've got the odometer here, which is 57,000 or 56,000 kilometers that the car has driven, and this trip odometer of 937. When it's in the car and functioning, the speedometer itself reads the speed as you would expect it to. The trip odometer increments upwards, but the actual odometer doesn't. So even though I've had the car and driven it for about 15 years almost, the number of kilometers has stayed at 56,756 the whole time. So I want to repair that and figure out what's going on. Now I could just tear it open, right, and just start cutting into it and figuring out what's going on and potentially break it. It's always been my experience that the second time or third time you do something, you have better success. So what I've got here is a speedometer from my TR6, spare one. It's a Smith's speedometer, so the interior guts are pretty much the same. So I'm going to see how that one works. And, and then I bought a used one. It's kind of messed up shape, at least externally. It is actually from an XKE. And so what I want to do is I want to take this one apart, take the TR6 apart, figure out what's going on with them so that I can ultimately repair the good one that I want to be able to use in the Jag. So that's my plan to be able to do it. So I want to make a recording of how you take it apart, what's going on inside, to show you what it looks like inside. And when I figure out how it all works, then I will have this one working. This will function. The speed will properly indicate the kilometers per hour, and both the trip odometer and the actual elapsed kilometers covered will update, and that's the plan. So